here for my birthday. I'll be here for 3 days. I'm so excited. Last time I was here was last year's New Year's Eve. New York and Tokyo are two of my favorite cities. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for all the subscribers and the likes. You know what I'm saying? Dinner time.
Sorry for the wait.
No worries. Thank you, Mom. I just got home. I'm using my iPad's camera, so quality is not A1. 11:41. Tomorrow, the plan is to go to Guggenheim Museum. Not sure if I said that correctly. And then check out some cafes. Or maybe go to Arabica in Brooklyn. That's it. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure where the camera is. Is it here? Is it here? Oh, it's here. Good night.
Got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No, all I ever asked was you to pick up.
I'm gonna go get breakfast downstairs and then go to some museum. Let's share something. So I've owned this jacket or blazer for a couple years now. Just found out that there's pocket here, but they sewed it. So I literally ripped it. Hold on. See that? I don't have a scissor, so I ripped it, and it's a pocket. I love pockets. Women loves pockets. And same thing on this side. We started with
21.
21.
We got him to 29. Now I'm gonna say 30. Why not?
No.
No way. No way.
Getting warmer.
Okay, 31.
Yeah.
Ah, finally.
But I'm gonna be 32 tomorrow.
No way, your birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday, my friend. Oh my gosh. I thought you were like 21.
I feel like 21.
Yes, you look it as well. You know what I'm saying? When you feel it, you look it. You know what I mean?
The blazer was getting too warm. I'm gonna go get some food for dinner. Probably check out Chelsea Market. It's a bunch of food stalls, I think. Hopefully it's good. And let's see where the night takes me. Us. Let's see where the night takes us.
I had the green apple. It was really nice.
Like that is very easy.
For your children's safety, do not allow them to play on or near the escalator. Road station. Please be careful while riding the escalator. Please watch your step and face forward.
They're only accepting cash, so I got some cash. Yay! We can now get boba. Thank you.
Thank you. This is
When she come here and told us, I said hi, okay? I can't think she's not here. Oh, God. That's all right. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, let me see. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, man. You gotta do this. Somebody do it. Shit. Hey, look, this